Megan here on the Backfist Customs Glitter channel, and today we're going to put together the large domino box. So I've got all of my pieces that are already demolded. You should really let these sit a good 72 hours. Mine have only set probably not a full 24 hours yet, so I'm slightly bendy on my pieces. Make sure they're nice and hard before you put them together. It will help. My other suggestion is do not overfill your molds. If you overfill them too much on this, it might be kind of hard to get your pieces together. Okay, so this is kind of like our base. We've got two sides, we've got two shorter sides, and then we've got our top here. So I'm going to put my base down first, and then just kind of fit these right down into the base. Just interlock them. Now, once you know how these go together, and I would suggest putting yours together first before you put any adhesive there. But what you can do is take a little bit of E6000 glue or fast set resin. I prefer fast set, that's just me. Take a little bit of your adhesive on like a little popsicle stick or toothpick, and you can kind of go right into these grooves with your adhesive. That way this will stay together really, really well. Take our side pieces with the little circle and kind of push it on the edge there. It's a little bit easier when they are really, really hard. I'm trying not to bend my pieces right now. And when you've got them kind of glued in there, that definitely helps. And then we're going to turn it around and we're going to put our other side on. And there we go. Our box is assembled. See, I bit my sides just a little bit, kind of bow them back out. Okay, and our top, your top can fit right in with the little circles. I wouldn't glue the top because it's supposed to kind of move like this, so you can open it and close it. So the top is the only piece that I would not glue. But make sure you get that top in there when you glue the sides, because you need a little bit of work room. Like, you need that side to kind of come apart just a little bit for you to get your edges within the circles. Okay, so this is the large domino box for you. I hope the visual will help you guys see how it's done, and you guys will be able to get it together a little bit easier. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you all next time.